Welcome to Thrice Learning. Let's learn letter C with Teacher Jasmine. To write the uppercase C, start at the blue line on top and draw a curved line all the way to the blue line at the bottom. Your turn. Great job! To write the lowercase c, start at the middle and draw a curved line all the way to the blue line at the bottom. Now do it! Great job! Letter C, make the sound K. K. Here are the words with the initial sound K. K. Cat. K. Car. K. Can. K. Cap. K. Cop. K. Cow. K. Caught. K. Cop. K. Cake. K. Clock. K. Crab. K. Crayon. K. Crocodile. It's blending time. Let's blend K with the vowel sounds. K. A. Ca. Ca. K. O. Caw. Caw. K. Ah. Ka. Ka. It's thinking time. Identify which picture begins with the consonant-vowel blends. Thank you for watching today. I hope you learned about letter C. See you on our next session. Bye!